All right, I want to welcome you guys back to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. Today I want to tell you guys about our upcoming course that we have on September 30th. We offer 4 different 12-week courses here at Griffin's Industrial. We have a beginners, intermediate, advanced, and what we call a super advanced course. The first week of the course is always in the classroom. After that, you'll be in the shop every single day. We teach all different processes of welding and all different forms of welding. We do everything from stick, MIG, TIG, flux core. You're gonna learn how to weld on carbon steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and you're gonna do everything from a 1G butted all the way to a 6G on pipe. Okay, so we're gonna take good care of you. You're also gonna learn not only how to weld, but you're gonna learn the theory behind the welding. So you're gonna learn, okay, why am I welding it this way? Why am I using this rod, this wire, this gas, and so on and so forth? We're gonna take real good care of you, okay? We also have financial aid options. We have financial aid through Texas Workforce Commission, and we have financial aid through the VA, okay? For the Texas Workforce Commission, you guys can, if you call Griffin's Industrial Welding School at 281-782-9713, we can give you all the information you would need to apply for that. And along with the Veterans Commission as well. You can either go to va.gov and apply online, or you can call us at 281-782-9713 and we'll walk you through how to get registered through the VA as well. But we're going to take great care of you over here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School. And just remember here, we're more than just an educational facility, it's a lifestyle.